Our next example will show you how you can create a one-of-a-kind stunning designer applique to your t-shirt, similar in style to ones you've seen in very high-end boutiques. After selecting the type of base t-shirt to start with, you would select Bead Art and then click on Applique. When you select a single applique, a pop-up box appears showing more detail of each design, including a description, color options, fabric choices, and available sizes. So many choices of fabrics and styles to explore. Select from beautiful, intricate designs in velvet, lace, fabric, cotton, brocade, transfers, embroidery, and many others. Let's click on this one. The description shows us that this is an antique gold metal scroll design at nearly 6 inches by 4 inches. Other sizes are available in different designs, but remember, as with all the other aspects of the iDesign software, manipulation of the applique feature is easy. We've designed it to be extremely user-friendly. You can move an applique around the shirt, up, down, left or right, rotate it, add single beads to accent the design, or even copy and then paste additional designs around the shirt as we've done here. For now, in this example, let's just use one applique. To really see the detail, zoom in and center the design on your shirt. Let's make it sparkle by adding some singular beads and rhinestones. Glam it up similar to what you see on the fashion pages. Select your beads as in the other tutorials and click on the Add Beads menu. You can select bead colors that complement the antique gold color, or to really make it pop, you can select some wild, funky, and hot colors that stand out. In this example, we've selected a rhinestone crystal bead, and we'll use this to accent our design. Here's where you need to be careful. Depending on how thick your applique is, you may not be able to place the bead right on top of the applique. No problem, as you can always make use of the intricate spaces within the design to add beads. Add more beads as you see fit to create a style uniquely you. Let's try a pinwheel bead, now in a deep olive green. You can drop a few randomly or make the pattern symmetrical. Either way, the iDesign software puts you in charge of the design process. You decide the color and style of your bead design. If you don't like the location you placed a bead on, simply remove the bead and place a new one. The X tells you that you can delete the bead and start over. Or, to make it easier, just move the first bead to a new location. You really can't make a mistake. If you get lost in the different layers of your design, just click on What's on my garment to see what choices you've made. Here, we can see the rhinestones, the green Swarovski beads, and olive green pinwheel. Gorgeous choices that really set off the antique gold scroll design. All the layers of the beads are shown. You can select each bead to further manipulate it, delete it, or change its color and style. This process is so user-friendly and easy to customize your designer couture quality t-shirt. You'll love how easy it is to create your own design. And just as before, you can draw a selection box and group your beads if you want to move them simultaneously around the shirt. Get creative and playful. You really can't make a mistake because you can always undo and redo up to 5 actions. When you group, you can also change the location, the color, or the type of the entire design. Let's say that you want your design spread out over the bottom hem of your shirt rather than centered on the front. Easy enough to do. Just select your design, group it, and then move it anywhere on the shirt. True customization at its finest. It's so easy, and you'll have fun coming up with new combinations to add to your wardrobe. We've given you so many choices and applique designs that you won't be bored and will be inspired to come up with many cool and creative combinations that reflect your own unique taste.